A while to start making this video. There's a couple of things. Firstly, I've opened the side of the machine so you can see everything. Briefly explain what does what. This is the ozone, the actual ozone generator where the ozone is created. Okay, this is the air dehumidifier where the air flows through and then goes into the tube, so when it gets into the tube it's nice and dry. This needs changing, alright, which I'm going to show you how to do. With regards to the timer, basically what we've got here is we've got the on cycle on the right. So at the moment this is set up to run on for 4 hours and then off for 80 hours. The time unit is changed by selecting this one here. Okay, so if you wanted it on for 4 minutes and then off for 80 minutes, that would be how you'd have it. Okay, so the timer just actually I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it on for, sorry, I'm trying to do, right, I'm going to have it to come on, it's going to come on for 4 seconds and then go off for 6 seconds, okay? So I'm hitting the on switch now. And the timer will display the unit of time, so if it's minutes it will display minutes, if it's hours it will display hours, and likewise at the moment, it's displaying seconds. So okay, when you turn the machine off, it's off. That's that. This is the ozone output, and I would suggest using it around 2/3 to 3/4. Okay, I don't ever use it on 4, I just don't really need to. So basically what will happen now is when we switch the machine on at the back via the on button here, you know, on, off, you have to always keep this switch in this position, in the down position, because if you turn that off, the ozone machine will run, but it will overheat because it doesn't have the air going through the tube. So please leave this on at all times, okay, in the down position. That's very important. Okay, you look after this machine, it lasts years and years. This is the ozone output. This is the cable that I got for you. It's Teflon. Basically the company had sent me the wrong pipe and I managed to find this one, so there's 5 meters there. That's good stuff. With regards to the oxygen input, you won't really need to use that, I don't think. If you decide you want to use that, then you have to let me know, because there's other things we have to do to make sure the system doesn't overheat. Because if you're putting oxygen through this pipe, what you would then do is disable the air pump, and there would then be oxygen from your oxygen machine flowing through instead of the air. But the problem is with that, most oxygen concentrators only have an output of 3 to 5 litres per minute, and this air pump produces 15 litres. The tube that creates the ozone needs a lot of air flowing through it to keep it cool. Okay, so that's the basics with the timer and that. I'm now going to show you how to change the desiccant or dehumidifier. So I'm just going to go grab my tripod a second, I'll be back.